some counting practice. Okay? We are going to count in front of you. First, you have to put your name down on this line. Okay? Where it says name, write your name down. Write your name down. Here. This one, or you can write it down your Good job. Okay, first what you're going to do is count each object one by one and circle the correct number that is matched the picture. Okay? So for first picture you have flowers. Let's count flowers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now you can tell me where is number 5.
Get the chair. Go get the chair. Go get the chair. Yeah, and go sit.
It's already circled. Okay. Now let's go with another picture.
Can we do now these birds?
Tama na yun.
Now we do these birds.
Ne. Tama mo lang.
Okay, we are going to do picture by picture, okay? So first we have flowers. Now let's do roses. Let's count roses. It's the second picture.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Now tell me where is number 6. Show me.
Here.
Yes. Circle that number. Circle number 6. 6 roses.
So I already circled number 6.
Okay, good.
Then I
Okay, now let's do with butterflies. 1,
2, 3.
Good job. Now circle number 3. Where is number 3? Let's see. Good job. You guys are awesome. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay. Now let's do these flowers. 1,
2, 3, 4.
Good job. Tell me where is number 4?
Here.
Yes.
I already circled number 4.
That's correct. Okay, now let's do birds.
Yay!
Let's count. Count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, this is a big number. Tell me where is number 8. Awesome job, guys. You did great. Where is number 8? Awesome. Yes, that's number 8. And the final picture is flowers. Let's do them. Okay. Put your name down on the line where it says name. Write your name down on this line. Or wherever you want. On the first write your name down and then we will do the activity. Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Good job. Okay.
Try to draw the letter Z.
Okay.
Now, A.
Okay. Now you guys what you're gonna do is compare each picture by picture and count each object and tell me where are more objects on one picture than on the other one. Okay? So let's count the first cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left one we have 4. But on the right one we have how many cars? 1, 2, 3. So tell me which picture has more cars? 4. Okay, circle that one. Circle it. Okay, now let's go with helmets. On the left one, we have 1, 2. On the right one, we have 1, 2, 3. So tell me, where are more helmets?
Here.
On the
3.
yes, on the right picture. So circle the right picture. Good job. Let's do apples.
Apple.
Apples.
Where's the apple?
Okay, let's count. 1,